Cool. Here, so to make that noise. And then we'll all get on it at the end. Just film to the end and beyond. Whoa, whoa. Oh, this is a... On them birds. Oh, check that birds! See, they're fucked up looking, isn't they? I think there's a... Oh! What? Fucking... No, look, back up, just hit that tree on this bit. This bait's going to work, doesn't it, boys? Isn't it? It's not like you've got to get it changed and all that. You just get in the fucking motor and... This is where we come in, isn't it, all this up? Yeah. What? Show it? You want that down? That's up there. Yes. Go on, girl. I'm glad that she can get out of anything but fuck. So that didn't punch me tire? No, it's fine. Oh. What are you doing, mate? Adding a bit of It goes a bit of mud up the car. Go on. Hey. One. Deep balls, didn't they? Whoa, whoa. You should have got a crash helmet, Mark. Yeah, no, you do, baby. Hello. Say hello to the camera, man. Stick you at that front window. Oh no. Go on, I'll make sure there's no trees. Oh, right. Did we test this one? Yeah, it was right straight on. Too fast. Whoa! Pakistan! Whoa! We'll be in Australia soon, boy. Just got to keep going. We're in the outbacks. Let's go up on it, see if it slides us down. I'm looking for the fun now. Oh, you fucking muddled up, mate, you bastard. Go on, man. Cheers, man, grow me. I was going to end up with you. What was Michael Jackson's chimp called? Bubbles. Bubbles. Hey, Bubbles. No, ain't booting it, you can't. That tree weren't there, was it? What? He's moved, has he? Oh, this shit's deep. That earth that then. Oh my god! Oh boy! Shit! Where to get to? Do you reckon you'll turn it round here?
What are you going to do? Are you going to bother going back through there or not?
Will we go to that other one? Oh, that bird, Dan! Bait it with a stick. In it for? I'm gonna splat. Hollybush. That would have hurt. It was. You weren't. You was in the back last time.